Hi everyone, welcome back to Rihanna's Kitchen Corner. In this video, I am going to share MangoBurfi recipe. It's full of sweet mango flavor and perfect when you are looking for quick mango desserts. For this recipe, we need 1 cup of mango puree. Here I am using fresh 2 ripe mangoes. You can use the canned mangoes also. And we need 2 tablespoons of warm milk. Add few strands of saffron. If you are using the fresh mango, add chopped mangoes to the blender and grind it to a smooth paste. If needed, you can strain the pulp also. Sugar 1/3 cup. Milk powder, I am using the Nido brand and you can use 2 cups of milk powder. Heat a large non-stick pan and you can add 1 tablespoon of ghee. Add the mango puree. Add sugar and mix it well, and you can cook on low heat for 6 to 8 minutes till the mixture appears jammy. Next, you can add in the milk powder and mix it well until everything combined together. Add saffron milk mix and you can mix it well using a soft spatula. At this point, you can add 1 more tablespoon of ghee and mix it well. At first, the mixture will look grainy. After a few minutes, the mixture will become smooth and feel soft. Make sure to keep the heat on low and keep stirring. Continue to cook on low heat for 15 more minutes until the mixture starts leaving the sides of the pan and clumps around the spatula. You will be able to fold it over itself without spreading. You can place a parchment paper on the tray and you can transfer the mix to the tray. Level using a spatula and you can press some nuts on top if you wish. Cool it completely. If it's too hot, you can refrigerate the mixture. Once it's set, you can add some edible gold or silver foil on top. Using a sharp knife, you can cut it into as many squares as you wish. You can store in the refrigerator for 3 to 5 days or freeze for a month. Thanks for watching everyone. Hope you liked this video. I'll see you soon back with another one. Bye. Take care.